Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. If you want to speak about something, if you want to take something, ask about something, if you need something, you should know how to say it in Russian. If you're in Russia, of course, and you are speaking with someone who can speak English. But you should know the words. So if you want something, you should know the word want, or need, or I should, or I can't live without that. So these simple words you should know in Russian also. So let's start from so simple word want. Я, it means I, want, хочу. The word хотеть, it's a word, do you remember, in Russian language you should change the word because of cases. Do you remember? If I'm talking about myself, I should change the end of the word and pronounce it after that. If about someone, also I should change at the end of the word, and it's everything about cases you can see in my previous lessons. So let's look at the word хочу. Хотеть. Хотеть, changing to хочу if you are talking about yourself. Я хочу. Do you see the end of the word changing? Хочу. Хочу. Я хочу пойти. I want to go. Пойти. Я хочу есть. I want to eat. Я хочу пить. I want to drink. Я хочу открыть дверь. I want to open the door. Я хочу открыть дверь. Дверь, it means door. So, я хочу. It's so simple if you want something. But if you don't want, it's also not so difficult. You just should remember about this small part before the word. It's not part of the word. It's like a part, small one, small, let's say, piece that will goes to this word when you don't want. Не. By the way, it's not he. It's a Russian word. N, and ye. Не. You can see the word не, that small part, не, that comes to another word, хочу. Не хочу. It means I don't want. Just so simple. I don't want. Я не хочу. So, do you see here example? Я, it means I am. I, не. Do you see the small part? But it's a separate, not together. It's a separate. Хочу. Хочу. Do you see here? You should pay attention here. It's different end of the word if you're talking about yourself. Я не хочу. Звонить, it means call someone. Звонить Маше. Звонить. Call to Masha. I don't want. Я не хочу. Do you understand? It's so simple. If you don't want, you just remember about this part. Не хочу. Не играю. Don't play. Не смотрю. I don't look at you. Не, I don't know, I am not eating. Не ем. Do you see? But next one, хотел бы. Okay, here I don't want. Do you see? I put here like examples in English to you understand what does хочу means. So, хотел бы, this is small part and also it's not together. Бы. Бы, it's like would. Like changing the word хотел, but you put бы and the meaning changing to would be. Do you understand? So, я хотел бы пойти. I would go. Я хотел бы. Maybe I will, maybe not, but I would. I prefer to go. Я хотел бы пойти. Хочу. Do you see the end of the word about myself? Я хочу. But хотел бы. If you are male, if you are man, remember you should use at the end l. But if you are female, if you are woman, girl, you should use хотела бы. Хотела бы. But if man, you should say хотел бы. But if you wouldn't go, remember here also the same. You should just put this не before the word. Не хотел бы. I wouldn't go. Я не хотел бы. I wouldn't go. Я не хотел бы. Я не хотел бы talk with you. Okay, I won't, of course. It's not about us, it's just example. Я не хотел бы. Я не хотел бы вставать рано. Awake so early. I wouldn't awake so early. Do you understand? So, and next one, more stronger, it means should or must. So, должен. You must do it. You should do it. You have to. So, должен. Do you understand? It's like a order. You should do it. Ты должен. Ты должен take these pills. Выпить эту таблетку. Таблетка means pills. Таблетка. You should take these pills. It's a doctor should tell you. Doctor should say you should do it. You understand? It's like that. And here the same, but some girl in Russia, if so, like, I shouldn't say that it's like a bad girl, it's okay, it just can be picky one, and she can say, you didn't, you should, ты должен, about something, bring flowers for me, pay attention, or something like that. Do you understand? Behave as a baby. But we are not a baby, we're adult, and we not use that должен. But sometimes I can say, you should watch my video. To improve your Russian, ты должен смотреть мое видео. Смотреть, it means look, watch, смотреть. Ты должен смотреть. This, I hope, pretty much understandable. But next one, it's a word, if you need something, need, нужно. Нужно. I need you. Ты нужен мне. I need you. But in Russian, you are starting from the end of English word. If I say in English, you. I need you. From me, I'm starting, but in Russian, we are starting vice versa, from the end of the word. You. For, I can't say it in English, by the way. So, starting from different. I need you, but Russian version. Ты нужен мне. Ты, it means you. I need you. Do you see? It's a bit confusing, but you should understand that Russian, like, starting from behind. Ты нужен мне. Not vice versa. But let's start from the word нужно. Нужно выпить молоко. Because I have a sore throat, I have a angina, we say. Angina, sore throat. So, нужно выпить молоко. You need drink that milk today. Нужно. Okay, нужно. But if you don't need that, again, remember this не here is the same. You just put it before the word and will be не нужно. Не нужно. It means you don't have to. Не нужно тебе идти. Тебе не нужно идти. You don't need to go. Тебе не нужно идти. So, стоит. It's the same. It's like between нужно and следует. Between have to and should. Must. You know? So, it's something just between, like need. It's more casual, you know? Стоит, стоит, it means like, okay, maybe, you know, it's not like you should or you need it, just maybe, yes, maybe I need it, maybe not, maybe I will use this Russian language, maybe never, but anyway, you will improve your as a personal, you know, your personality, and will be intelligent person. So, okay, I just don't want you to leave. Okay, stay. Stay with me, improve your Russian. Нужно, нужно, не нужно, it means I don't need. Стоит, следует, it's a third one. Стоит, следует. Нужно, не нужно, стоит, не стоит, следует, не следует. Do you see? And I have one example to you remember that. Мне, it means I don't need, but you can't say я. You should say мне. Do you remember our previous lesson about our cases? So, it's a genitive case, by the way. Мне не нужно звонить. I don't need to call you. Мне не нужно звонить. Maybe you read my mind. So, okay, I hope this is understandable for you. If you have any question, ask me. I would be happy to help you. So, see you at the next lesson.